I know you've heard this a lot of times that journaling can help you with emotional regulation. But this is how. You see, when we put our thoughts to paper, it really helps our brain to calm down. But what it also does for us is a lot of us go through our day internalizing our feelings, the emotions. We don't even have a safe space to let it out, except when we see our therapists, our counselors, coaches, or if you have someone that is trusted, safe, and healthy in your life that you can just sit with and process these emotions. When you journal for emotional regulation, what you're doing is you're externalizing your feelings. Those things you've bottled in for so long, you start to let them out, but in a safe way. The emotions, the sadness, the anger, the hatred, the pain, the rejection, it seems less overwhelming when you start to do these things. Once you start to externalize your feelings, you will see that you can bring structure and order into what you're feeling. For example, your brain is saying, I've been unable to put this into words for a long time. I'm just holding it and holding it. And all of a sudden, you're putting your thoughts into words, one word at a time. You're putting your thoughts into sentence. This can actually help you to make your feelings less chaotic. It can also help you with what we call emotional distance. Now you can step back and look at, okay, this is what I've written. This is what I was feeling. Oh, you can also start saying, oh, this is the name of what I was feeling. Putting a name to what you're feeling. And that's really helpful when it comes to our emotional wellness, even our mental well-being. As a result of externalizing your feeling, you're having that structure and order. You've been able to step back and reflect. You might see, or you may see, that you're able to process your trauma a lot better. When I'm saying process trauma, it's very helpful to seek the help you need. Journaling is a tool, not the only tool you need when it comes to processing trauma. But when you start to journal, you will see that you're revisiting difficult experiences in a safer way. You're starting to see that, okay, I remember this, and this can help you with the emotional intensity over time. Again, I mentioned that it's quite important to learn how to regulate our nervous system. When we're journaling for trauma or we're journaling for stress and anxiety, learning to regulate or learning how to help our nervous system calm down is very, very important, please. So yes, this is how you can actually use journaling to organize your thoughts.